Hello, dear children. I welcome you in today's English class. In the previous class, I had started the chapter The Fun They Had. We had seen that Margie got surprised to see that somebody had written about school, and she quoted that she hated her school. Let's continue where we left in the previous video, and it's from here. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the country inspector. Now, Margie Margie already hated her school, but now her hatred had increased a lot because in her geography lessons she was getting continuous test after test, and moreover because she was not ready for those tests, so her performance was also poor to poorer. And it's good that her mother took that computer, because that time they had computer as teachers. They did not have human touch while teaching, so her mother took her to the country inspector. Country inspector is just like, you can say, our computer mechanic, where some problem had come in the computer, her teaching computer. So her mother took her to the country inspector who is going to set the problem. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. The country inspector is described that his face was a red one whole, and he had complete box filled with tools, wires, etc., just to whatever things one need in repairing. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. Because that person, the country inspector, was a friendly person, he gave a smiling look towards Margie, gave her an apple, and took the teacher inside apart. Margie had hoped he would not know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. Margie wished that the country inspector who had opened his mechanical teacher her computer, she wished that country inspector should not know to assemble it again or close it again properly, because it was she hated that teacher and she did not want to study with him. But the country inspector arranged everything, and that large black ugly computer teacher was ready for Margie to give her more lessons. With a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. Now her entire screen where questions were shown, where all the explanations were given, was absolutely ready. That was not so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. Though teaching, Margie did not have very good interest in her studies, but she hated most was her most hateful thing was the homework slot. There used to be a slot where she had to keep her homework test papers. So she did not like to go through those tests. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old. She had to write everything in a secretive language, a punch code, what she learned when she was 6 years old. And the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in on time. And the human teacher may take some more time, but mechanical teacher was arranging the marks very nicely and fine within no time. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away together, because Margie was not doing good. in her geography class, and she wanted that they should take her teacher away and teacher should not return to her house. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Because the same happiness Tommy had got in his life once his history section, because mechanical teacher has had all the separate sections for separate subjects. So when history teacher Tommy's mechanical teacher's history portion got corrupted, so he got rest of his teacher for 1 month. Margie was also thinking the same. Good luck for herself. So she had to said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about a school?" And that is why, because she hated her school so much. So she could not believe that why people have written about a school, because generally people don't like school. So why one should write about a school? This was the question again and again haunting her. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. Because it's not our kind of school. Stupid. When Margie asked this question to Tommy, that why somebody had written about a school, so Tommy said with superior eyes, meaning as if he knew more. Obviously, he was 13 years old, had more exposure comparatively to Margie. So he said because that school were not like the school they had. Stupid, this way he addressed her. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. Tommy said they had written about their type of school, what they used to have long 100 years back. He added loftily, meaning in a superior way, uh, pronouncing the word carefully centuries ago. He used the word he pronounced the word centuries ago in a very particular way. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, "Anyway, they had a teacher." Margie could not understand it because she was only 11 years old and she had seen only new sort of school. So it was difficult for her to know what was happening 100 back with the old set of school. And she had started reading, and finally she said, at least they had a teacher. Because that time, meaning it is our time, real teacher used to be described in that book. Thank you, dear children.